Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Spear B Shard ability in Garden game of Roblox BCB event update part 4. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you the Spear B Shard ability, I'm going to show you how you can get it. Basically, you can get the B Shard from this event, the Wasp Dungeon Event. And then after you join this event, guys, you will get B Shard as the reward. Let me click on enter. Okay, for the possible rewards, guys, you will get like the hive egg and then seed and also the B Shard. If you're lucky, you will get the B Shard and you can improve your bee's ability with the B Shard. And I've already applied the Spear B Shard to one of my bees right here. Okay, this is the Spear B Shard ability, guys. It will give you plus 120% damage and plus 75 speed to your bee. Okay. Yeah, I think it's worth to apply, guys, to improve the damage. It will be very useful for the Wasp Dungeon Event. Okay guys, and that's all about the Spear B Shard in Garden game of Roblox BCB Event Update Part 4. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!